Right now we're having a quick look at our Media app. Within our Media app is where we hold all of our items that potentially will be connected to emails or text messages going out. Things like links, pictures, including the company logo, and all of our email signatures. So you don't need to create different email signatures for different types of emails, and you might like to develop this over time perhaps, but you can do so in here by editing these items. But again, just looking down the left hand side again at our views, first of all we have got a little bit of an explanation about what this app is all about, and you've got your media views down here. Again, if you wanted to just focus in on one aspect of the media you're working on, you could click on there and just bring up all your signatures that you want to work on. As you get the media item to where you want it to be, you can do it in the item, or you can just slide it across for us to have a look at it, or if you're very happy with it, it's good to go. That gives us the indication that we can upload it into your system and have it running live in your communication to your customers. Again, nice tip is to be able to focus just on the work that you've got to do. So open that screen up. You can actually open it up another step by going into full mode like this, full screen mode like this is quite good. Scrolling down, let's just take a look at one media item that we might have. So this is termed the ES108, which is a code that we refer to, a returning deferral signature. So we know media category is a signature. You could give that a description, and basically this is going to be used at the bottom of any emails that are related to a returning deferral customer. We can put some specific size requirements here, but you're pretty much open to whatever you need, whatever size you'd like to go. We will edit things though in the final process. Here we're obviously waiting on a confirmation from you that you're ready to go with the signature before we get it uploaded into our system. Obviously the image would go into this point here. If there is a link that you want connected to that signature, might be a link to your web page or to your social media page, you would put that link in there to make sure that we get the right link copied across for you, and where the status being draft, live or archived. It's pretty straightforward. Again, you can write comments on the side here, ask questions, you can @tag myself if you need to get a message through to me really quickly, and that will come through nice and quick, and we can respond to any questions you may have. Once you're finished, again, there's no saving. Once you click out of an info area, it's automatically saved. If you're happy to move on to us giving it a check over, you would click on waiting on endgame. If we go back to the front area here of this app, we can now see that that's moved into waiting on us to confirm, and if we think we've got everything right, we'll switch that into good to go and have that uploaded into your system. Okay, so that's our media app. If we get your information together just over this next period of time, we can get everything up and going and have your system live and operating.